Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is Startus.cc. So this is a website and this is a dashboard. So in this video, I will let you know step by step guys to how you guys will list your business on this site. So before the started, we can resource something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 71. And according to Moj, the domain authority is 54 and the spam score is 14%. So you cannot uh, hesitate with the spam score. These things cannot going to impact your website if you guys can do the right way or the genuine way. So these things cannot going to harm your website. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 77k monthly traffic and mostly traffic from Pakistan, India, USA, Ukraine, Australia, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So simply you can click on the login and register button. And there is an option to, you can see, create an organization account. And there you guys will fill your all details, your email address, then you guys will choose your password. Again, you can re-verify your password. And you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can verify your captcha, and you can click on the create a new account button. And after that, this site will send you a verification email, activation email. So you can check your email box. So startus.team. So I received, and you can click on the activate button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you will see you can redirect on this dashboard. So simply you can click on the create company profile button, and after that you can click on the upload logo button, and there you guys will fill your all details. So you can add your company name. So company name is, my company name is Jobma, and after that you can upload your logo. And if you are having, so you can upload your cover emails, and after that you can add your company alternative name. So there you can use your company your main page targeted keywords. So my main targeted keyword is top interview management system, and you can choose your country, and there you guys will add your addresses, your company address, then you can choose your city, then you can add your city name. City is Mintonka, and you can choose your state. So state is Minnesota, and there you can add your zip code. So zip code is 55305, and you can add your website URL, your Facebook profile. So this is my Facebook profile, and your Twitter profile. Twitter profile should be X, na? Why this is X? Oh my god. So let me open this, and I can replace with this. You can add, and then you can add your company description. So company description I have already generated. So this is fresh content, and you can put it over there. And after that, if you wanting to hyperlink in your description, so you can. So this is my virtual interviewing platform. So this is my targeted keyword, and also I can insert my website URL over there. So you can see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this and you can click on insert your, and you can, if you wanting, so you can make it bold. And after that, you can click on the save button. So you can see this is your business listing landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see our company name and logo, and this is the backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So this is a 100% no follow backlink, but the thing is we have created a very high quality contextual backlink on this site, and this is your website URL. This is also a no follow, and our social channels. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And you can see there is also another option to, if you're wanting to post a classified ad. So you can see this is the subscription of this classifieds. So if you wanting, so you can contribute. So and for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.